How to convert a Word document into a PowerPoint presentation.
First, navigate to the Layout tab and set the orientation to landscape. Next, go to the Size option and adjust the paper size to match the dimensions of a PowerPoint landscape slide, typically 9x16. Then, increase the font size to make the text more legible. Now, format your Word document so that each item appears on a separate page. This aligns with the goal of having one item per slide in your PowerPoint presentation. Save the file. Next, open your web browser and search for a Word to PowerPoint converter. Click on a suitable link from the search results. Select the file you want to upload and open it. After uploading, click the Convert button. The converted PowerPoint file will be automatically downloaded to your device. This is the PowerPoint presentation that we have just created from the Word document. You can now modify the design as desired. That's it. Feel free to follow us for more videos and tutorials.